IoT-based home automation. Technology has advanced, and home automation is now a major global phenomenon. It used to seem like a pipe dream, but thanks to modern technology and the internet, everything has undergone a revolution. Additionally, Wi-Fi allows for all of this to occur without human interaction. In this video we'll talk about how an Internet of Things-based home automation system functions. In particular, when they return home from a long and exhausting day. The development of technology in the area of smart home systems has demonstrated that automation is a viable method for achieving this comfort. The success of home automation systems now depends on IoT-based technologies and applications. Internet of Things is referred to as IoT. It is a network of physically connected devices with relationships to one another. Without human involvement, these objects wirelessly collect and share data. Since these items are equipped with software, sensor chips, and other cutting-edge technology, everything operates automatically over a wireless link. IoT technology is essential for developing smart and reliable solutions in a number of additional ways. IoT technology is sweeping the world today. It is quickly expanding its presence in many market segments. IoT apps are created by our talented developers for both the Android and iOS operating systems. In addition, we employ technologies including NFC, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth Low Energy, Bluetooth 2.0, iBeacon, and Zigbee. How does IoT function? IoT devices are made up of sensors and tiny computers that use machine learning to process the sensor data. IoT gadgets are essentially tiny computers that are linked to the internet and are susceptible to attack. Due to the fact that many IoT devices can be controlled by smartphone apps, smartphones are important in the IoT. From now on, one can use their smartphone to speak with their smart appliances, such as smart thermostats and air conditioners, to set the ideal temperature for when they get home from work. While you're away, this feature can stop unused heating or cooling, potentially saving you money on energy bills. The ability to troubleshoot, monitor, deploy, manage, and configure other IoT devices is the most crucial aspect of IoT platforms. Additionally, IoT platforms handle the setup, configuration, and debugging of IoT application software. IoT platforms as a whole are a system of various parts that work in unison to carry out all the duties. The following are the four main parts of an IoT platform. Sensors. Sensors, devices gather environmental data. As its name suggests, sensors detect environmental changes. These gadgets or sensors collect information like temperature. Any IoT system conducts this as its first action. As a result, data is processed to effectually affect something. Connectivity. The sensors and gadgets send the data they have gathered to the cloud. For data to be transported to the cloud, a media is required. The type of connectivity medium you choose for your device relies on a number of things. The sensors link to the cloud using a variety of different mediums such as Wi-Fi, satellite, Bluetooth, LPWAN, etc. These elements may include bandwidth, range, and power consumption. Processing data. The processed data from the sensors is subsequently transmitted to the clouds through various connectivity methods. This data is processed by software. These could be simpler or more difficult tasks, including object identification. To make modifications that are effective, software processes this data. User interface. The information is delivered to the end user after processing in order to make it valuable in some way. The final decision is made by the user. As a result, the information is delivered via SMS, email, or in-app notice. The user then chooses what to do with the data going forward. This is the fundamental operation of an IoT system. In order to accomplish changes, an IoT system's four components must all operate in unison. What is an IoT-based home automation system? A centralized system that controls all the other devices in your home is an IoT-based home automation system. Lighting, appliances, heating, cooling, sprinklers, alarm systems, and CCTVs are some of these gadgets. Furthermore, all security devices, including gas outlets, doors, windows, power outlets, alarms, and CCTVs, are centrally connected via wireless networks. Your entire house may be automated. Additionally, fully automated alarm systems, security cameras, smart locks, etc. are all included in smart home security systems. It is secure and sustainable, for starters. Utilizing these automation services can help you save a lot of money on your electricity bills. For instance, You may effectively heat or cool your home while you are home by using smart thermostats. When you leave the house, these smart thermostats will turn off the heater and air conditioner. Thus, money that would have been spent cooling or heating the home when no one was home was instead saved. Lighting systems for smart homes are also highly sustainable. Additionally, they conserve a significant amount of energy that would have been wasted otherwise. Consequently, you will have a large amount of money saved. Your life will be made easier by an IoT-based home automation system, which is also very environmentally friendly. How does IoT home automation works? A home automation system powered by the Internet of Things is a centralized system that manages the operation of all the other appliances in your house. A home automation system can use a huge variety of protocols. Today, some of the most popular protocols for home automation include Zigbee and Zwave. The newest industry standards indicate that mesh networking and other forms of wireless networking are currently popular. It transmits and receives signals from other devices using wireless technology, electricity, and radio waves. As a result, home automation is a very simple and effective process. There are two types of home automation systems: cloud-based and central control-based. Home automation systems powered by IoT are often cloud-based. The home network is used by the app-based home automation system to connect to the cloud. The Internet of Things is based on cloud technologies. The Wi-Fi protocol is typically used by cloud-based home automation to interact with other devices. After signing up for the app, the user can use it to access all of his smart home's appliances, including lighting, alarm systems, thermostats, and more. One may manage everything using the app as long as they are all online smart devices, including the user. All of these characteristics make sure that your home has all you need to live comfortably. Therefore, the main objective of home automation is to have remote and centralized access to all of the household appliances. It improves the ease and comfort of your home, making it fit for your own unique preferences. Alarm systems and intelligent fire detectors improve home security. Additionally, home automation promotes a style of life that is considerably more ecological and energy efficient. That was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.